Hello everyone, welcome back. Today's topic is unconditional control statements in C, where we will understand, break, continue, and go to statements with simple programs. Let's start the lecture. Control structure in C by Pooja Limbola, Assistant Professor, R.C. Patel, Institute of Technology, Shirpur. Contains first control statement. Break statement, continue statement, go to statement. First, unconditional control statement. What is a unconditional control statement? In C, there are control statements that do not need any condition to control the program execution flow. Their control statements are called as unconditional control statement. First, break. Second, continue. Third, go to. Break, continue, go to statement. What is a break, continue, go to statement? Break. The break statement is used to terminate the switch case statement. It is used to terminate the looping statement like for, while, and do while. Go to. This is the kind of jump statement which can take control of the program from anywhere to anywhere within a function. It is also referred to as an unconditional jump statement. Continue. It is similar to break statement. The only difference is that break statement terminates the loops where continue statement focused control to reach for the next iteration of the loop states it is to the beginning of the loop. Break statement syntax and flowchart. While test expression, if condition to break, then break. Do. Do if condition to break, break. And then while test expression. For init test expression update. If condition to break, flowchart. Condition check. If condition is true, then code inside loop. Break the code loop body. And the condition is false, then exit loop. Example program used to use of break statement in switch case has include studio.h header file, Birdman, and the switch provide multiple cases, case 1, case 2, case 3, default, int main function, int roll number, initialization 1 value, print num roll number, gets return 0. Display output name is A. Continue statement syntax and flowchart. Syntax while test expression, if test expression continue. Do if test expression continue. While test expression for unit expression update. If test expression continue. Loop condition is true, then continue and code inside body of loop after continue statement. And the condition is false, then exit loop. Example program use of continue statement in do while loop has include studio.h. This is the header file, int main function, in data type J initialization 0 value, and if condition is true, then printf double quoted percentage d j, and while condition check, showing output 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 at 9, and do this print statement is skipped when counter value was 7. Syntax flowchart of goto statement. Syntax: goto ABC, C statement, C statement, C statement, ABC, C statement, C statement, level 1, level 2, level 3, C statement, and C statement go to level 3. When go to statement encounters, the control jumps to the corresponding level. Example program used of goto statement slash include studio.h. This is the header file. Int1 main function. Int sum initialization 0, I initialization 0. For loop, if condition is true, then print double quoted percentage is sum, which is written 0, showing output 15. Thank you.